Hi, welcome to today's video. We're talking about how to manage knee arthritis when traveling. So you've got your dream holiday that you're planning, or you want to go see your friends and family, but you are worried about your knee and wondering if you might be able to manage. So how would you feel if you actually did have a plan in place? My name's Claire, for those of you that don't know me. I've spent 17 years treating a lot of people and I've helped people manage their knee pain. I do know how anxious people get about traveling, and in some cases, it's actually stopped them traveling. So we're just going to go through some really simple techniques that can help you plan for going away. Stick around till the end, and I'll go through a really cool technique to help you retain any new information. And also download your free guide I've got to help you understand your pain triggers. So if you can understand those pain triggers, it can really help in that management. So scan the QR code or the links in the description below. So your knee pain and travel. Knee pain you get is not just about not moving enough or moving too much, although that is part of what's going on. The body's just trying to protect you. So any change in daily activity, the body is just going to be a little bit more alert and on a lookout for any dangers. You've got your change in activities will create unfamiliar movement patterns. And again, the body's just going to be on a little bit more alert because it's trying to sense danger and kind of stop you before you hurt yourself. How does your body warn you? And that's with pain. So we've spoken in another video how pain is a warning system, does not necessarily mean there's damage. And so all of the changes that go on when you travel just means that you are likely to pick up on pain just a little bit quicker. So what does that mean about you going away? Just means that knowledge is power and understanding is key. So when you understand what's happening, you can start to make those better decisions. Yeah, you can get a little bit more informed. So before you go away, you just need to do a little bit of prep. Look at the knee joint. You want to focus on your range of movement. So you can do something really simple of sitting in the chair and you can straighten and bend your knee. So it doesn't have to be anything too fancy. You can take time to stretch, focus around the muscles around the knee joint itself, but you can do full body stretch as well. And then have a look at a toolkit, taking a toolkit away with you. So here's what could be in it. You've got painkillers, which is a bit controversial. A lot of people don't like taking painkillers. This is where I just need to pause and say, please chat with your GP about what you can take. That's for them to advise. It's for me just to suggest that it's a good idea to have them to hand. It can take you over just a little bit of a hurdle in your travel and make you feel a lot more comfortable. So it is kind of just a temporary thing. If you don't want to take painkillers, that's cool. Hot and cold can also help. So remember your gel packs. And then you want to get blood flow around the soft tissue and muscles around the knee. So you've got your options of your tennis ball, massage ball, pocket physio, massage gun if you've got space. I do have videos just explaining how to use these. So you do have options. Now, with your knee arthritis, if you sit for too long, your knee is unfortunately going to get a little bit stiff. So it's really important to take those breaks. So talk to me. Please say in the comments below anything that you take with you when you go traveling that helps you manage your knee pain. So then during travel, it's just about putting that plan into action. So please take your breaks if you're driving or if you're flying, you want to just get up and walk up and down a plane. You might not be able to get up, so you've got your chair exercises to do. There are many to choose from. If you can get up, you can do some standing exercises as well. And then you've got your toolkit of your painkillers if you wish to take them, hot, cold, and then your options for massaging around the area. Now, learning new information, this is what I think is cool. So research says if you sit for about a minute after learning something new, you need it to be quiet, no distractions. It just helps the brain retain that information. Interestingly, I think you don't even have to think about what you learned about. So you just sit there and just let your mind wander. So I thought I'd share that just in case that helps you. Please share this video with one person you know with knee arthritis. Perhaps they're going traveling and might help. These tips might help them. Don't forget to download that free guide. I do think it will really help you. And then comment below. If you've traveled with knee arthritis before, what's one thing that's made it easier? So your comments and tips might help someone in your community. So please comment. Now's the time to take that minute of quiet if you're going to do that. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.